Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we're going to install and spotlight the OVS 180 degree awning. This awning is perfect accessory for overlanding, sporting events, a day at the beach, and much more. So let's check it out.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home.
This OVS 180 degree pneumatic awning will fit most vehicles with a factory or aftermarket rack. Today we will be installing this awning on our Jeep JL equipped with an aftermarket SRM roof rack by Go Rhino that we installed in the earlier video. Before we install the actual awning, we have a Go Rhino awning bracket kit that we've installed. This bracket kit is a sturdy add-on option from Go Rhino for their SRM rack system that fits into their 4-core channel system with no drilling required. This bracket kit allows for any awning to be securely mounted without vibration. For those of you that are wondering, the OVS 180 pneumatic awning kit does come with universal mounting brackets. Here's what's all included in the OVS awning box. We've got the 180 degree awning with 4 built-in aluminum rafters, 5 telescoping poles with 3 of the poles that pivot, 6 sets of shock cord, heavy-duty ground stakes, traveling cover, 3 heavy-duty mounting brackets with hardware, and the nylon reinforced tie-down kit. Now that we have the Go Rhino bracket kit installed, let's go ahead and mount the awning to the Jeep. First, you want to insert the supplied bolts into the grooves in the backing plate of the awning. Then, with the help of a friend, mount the awning to the brackets. It's that easy. It's a beautiful day out here on the lake, and the OVS pneumatic awning 180 is the perfect accessory for overlanders, a day on the lake, or whatever else your heart desires. It provides shade and comfort while you and your crew are cooking and relaxing. It is easy to install, set up, and take down, and all folds back into a 1000G PVC travel case. Once you're in the position to open your OVS awning, it's a pretty quick and easy process. First, you want to unzip and remove the cover from the awning body. Next, you want to release the 2 Velcro straps and allow the canvas to drape down. Then, you want to rotate the right swing arm out 90 degrees, then swing out the left arm fully and attach to the roof rack using supplied tension straps. This awning requires no poles to set up because OVS's pair of reinforced oversized hinges and heavy-duty rafters. When the weather gets extreme and it's time to lock down camp, you just deploy the poles, secure the stakes with the supplied paracord, and you're all set. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy your day out with the OVS awning. The OVS pneumatic awning 180 features 88 square feet of freestanding covered shelter, a 600D polycotton ripstop cover, pivoting adjustable poles, and tie-down points for securing the poles and directing water runoff with heavy-duty oversized stakes. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching as we installed and spotlighted the OVS pneumatic awning 180. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next week.
I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back.